How long has it been since you closed all the tabs in your web browser on your iPhone? Has it been days or weeks or maybe even months or years? You might have accumulated hundreds or thousands of open tabs. I'm going to show you a one-button trick to be able to close all of those. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is head into the Safari app. And you'll be able to see I'm in just this random website. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And now you can see at the bottom right is all tabs. Tap on that. This will show all of the tabs that I currently have open, not a ton. But if I wanted to delete out all of them, you can see the little X at the top right. I can tap on them individually, but this takes a lot of time, especially if you have a ton of them. To quickly delete out all of those, for whatever reason, I don't know why Apple decided to hide this, but you press and hold on the check mark at the bottom right. And there you can see it says close all of the 5 tabs that are open. So just tap on that button and tap on close all tabs. Just like that, it will wipe out all of the old tabs. Now keep in mind, you can also go in the settings and you can set it to automatically close tabs after a day or a week or a month so that you don't need to manually do that as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.